What is up, everybody? How's it going? Look at the big old German Shepherd. Look at the beautiful leaves. It looks so nice. Fall riding is so pretty with all the colors and the leaves flying everywhere. But that's not what this is about. So, in the comments below, I'm gonna ask you right now, what did you think of WSX, World Supercross? Good, bad, like track, hated the fact that they had a metal kicker for the jump, whatever it is. In the comments below, you tell me, what did you think of it? Because obviously being a world, quote-unquote, world championship this year, there's only 2 rounds. So to me, ooh, pine needles. To me, they really shouldn't have called it a championship this year. It should have been kind of a feeler series. I don't know what you want to call it. With 3 rounds, you get a little bit closer. With 5 rounds, you could technically say, like, yeah, it would be a championship. But like with 2, it's kind of meh. You know, especially considering, like, I'm going to say this too, the funny thing, the fact that it's a world supercross, quote unquote, you think they would have pulled in some of the, like, MXGP guys? Nope. You have Tom Bial. Is it Tom Bial? He's training for Supercross, but he's training in California while this is going on. 90% of the participants were American, which is fine, but it's just kind of funny that, like, with all the other series around the world, MXGP, all of the, like, you know, national series and stuff like that, you couldn't have pulled some people in. And I know the problem is that if it was World Motocross, obviously that's MXGP, but like for argument's sake here, go with me. If it was World Motocross, you would get a lot more people from the MXGP crowd, you know, national series. You'd get those people because it is a Supercross championship. Most of the rest of the world doesn't race Supercross. That's as far as I know, a very American thing. And I'm not going to say other places don't have it. I'm saying, like, generally, most, as far as I know, most dirt bike racing around the world is motocross. Outdoors, you know, outdoor tracks. Some jumps, but natural jumps. Not the same as this, where you get big man-made jumps with metal kickers and all that kind of stuff. So, you tell me. Again, what did you think of it? Racing was good. Track looks cool, or looked cool. You know, Eli Tomac looked dominant as shit. I absolutely love the way they did this. There was no SX2 commercial break. You know, what are they? SX1, whatever they called it. You know, there was no 250s commercial break, 450s commercial break, 250. You know, no, it was 250, 250, 250, and they were like bam, bam, bam. There was a little break in between, but they were right on it. Then it was 450, 450, 450. All races in one time, which I think is good. I think worked well. The Super Pole thing, meh, I understand it. They're trying to do something different, but like, it is what it is. I don't think Super Pole in Supercross really works. Obviously, you should put your best lap down probably in the middle of the heat, because if you don't, the track's deteriorating as you're going. Berms are getting thicker, getting ridges and all that kind of stuff. So like, it's kind of a weird thing to me. I don't care either way. It was something to watch. It's sad that they're only doing 2 rounds instead of the 3, because I think the next one's Australia. I could be wrong about that. I don't know. I don't think Eli Tomac is going to go to it because this, or I'm assuming Ken Roczen is, because I think he said he was doing the full series. Correct me if I'm wrong. But as far as I know, Eli Tomac was a 1 race wild card, which kind of sucks because he obviously showed that he could win this championship and just make his year even better if he wanted to. I mean, it's basically, for a lot of the, like, privateers or smaller guys, you know, guys that can got a ride but aren't, like, you know, aren't the Eli Tomacs or Ken Roxons of the world. If you can get a contract to race these couple races, you can get the extra prize money. Like, it's really good for them, you know. And I have no problem with more racing. I understand that people complain because, oh, more racing means that there's more workload and they'll complain about it. It's like, I understand that, but come on. I don't race, so I don't exactly know how hard it is, but it's just one of those things that as an outside viewer, as a person who likes racing, I think it's great. Especially if this continues and it's kind of an off-season thing between Supercross, Motocross, MXGP. It's kind of that like dead zone where no one's racing, no one's kind of doing anything. If you could pull in some of the MXGP guys, if you could get more eyes, you know, going both ways, I think it'd be great. It's going to be cool. I can't wait for the next round. But again, comments below, you tell me what you think. Was it good? Was it bad? Did you like the track? Did you like the metal kicker? Whatever it is, whatever you want to say, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, like I said, do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do. Hit that little bell when you know, so you know when I'm posting, because it really does help me a lot. I appreciate it, playing that out, that YouTube game, playing the algorithm experience, and it helps a lot. So with that, tell me again, make sure to comment, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.